Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your online privacy, the ZUCUCUC Webcam Cover Slide, a pack of 14 ultra-thin camera covers that are perfect for a variety of devices. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ZUCUCUC Webcam Cover? Simply put, it's a sleek, ultra-thin privacy slide designed to cover the cameras on your devices, including laptops, tablets, smartphones, and even desktop computers. With privacy concerns becoming more prevalent in our digital age, this little gadget provides a straightforward solution to secure your personal information from potential prying eyes. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this webcam cover. First and foremost, it offers a sense of security. With the cover in place, you no longer have to worry about unwanted access to your camera when you're not using it. It's as simple as sliding it open when you need to use your camera and sliding it closed when you're done. Easy and effective. Another key feature is its compatibility with a wide range of devices. Whether you have an iPhone, iPad, MacBook, or any other smartphone or tablet, this cover is designed to fit most models. This versatility makes it a great choice for anyone with multiple devices, ensuring that you can protect your privacy no matter what gadget you're using. What's really impressive about the ZUCUCUC webcam cover is its ultra-thin design. At just 0.8 mm thick, it won't interfere with your device's ability to close or fold properly. This means that you can keep it attached to your laptop or tablet without worrying about it getting in the way. Plus, the movable slider design allows for effortless operation with just one finger, making it incredibly user-friendly. Speaking of ease of use, applying the webcam cover is a breeze. Simply remove the backing tape, stick it over your camera, and press firmly for about 15 seconds. If you ever need to replace it, there's no sticky residue left behind, ensuring a clean removal. This makes it not only convenient for personal use but also great for those who like to switch devices frequently. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, it's ideal for anyone who uses a camera on their devices: students, professionals, remote workers, or even just casual users who want to keep their online presence secure. It's especially relevant for those who frequently participate in video calls, conferences, and online meetings, where maintaining privacy is paramount. In practical terms, imagine you're working from home, and you take a break from your video call. Instead of leaving your camera exposed, you can simply slide the cover shut until you're ready to join the next meeting. Or perhaps you're a student who uses a tablet for online classes. Having this cover provides peace of mind that your camera isn't unintentionally active during personal moments. Lastly, if you're looking for a thoughtful gift, this 14-pack of webcam covers makes for a practical choice. With various sizes included, 6 large covers and 8 small ones, there's something for everyone in your family or friend circle. It's a simple yet effective way to help loved ones safeguard their privacy in today's digital environment. To wrap things up, the ZUCUCUC Webcam Cover Slide is a fantastic addition to anyone's tech arsenal. With its easy application, ultra-thin design, and broad compatibility, it's a smart investment in your personal privacy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.